Hello everyone, welcome back to Chemistry JRFnet. Today we are discussing problems in quantum mechanics. First question is, a particle is constrained in one-dimensional box of a length 2a with potential V of x equal to infinity, x less than minus a, x greater than a, and V of x equal to 0, minus a less than or equal to x less than or equal to a. The energy difference between levels n equal to 3 and n equal to 2 is, and the options are given. So here they are asked to find out the energy difference between the levels n equal to 3 and n equal to 2, and the length of the box is given and it is a one-dimensional box. So in case of one-dimensional box, the equation for energy is E is equal to n square h square by 8 ma square. Here length is equal to 2a is given. So our equation become n square h square by 8m 2a whole square equal to n square h square by 8m into 4a square, which is equal to n square h square by 32 ma square, and asked to find out the energy difference between the levels n equal to 3 and n equal to 2. So when n equal to 3, our equation become 3 square h square by 32 ma square, and here 2 square h square by 32 ma square, that is 9 h square by 32 ma square and 4 h square by 32 ma square. So taking the difference we get 5 h square by 32 ma square. So option D. Next question, the value of commutator x p square x is. So for finding this, we have a relation a b square equal to a cap b cap into b cap plus b cap into a cap b cap. So substituting here x px square. So x px into px plus px into x px. And we have another relation. If we have a x raised to n px, the value is I h cut n x raised to n minus 1. So here n is equal to 1. So our equation become I h cut 1 into x raised to 1 minus 1 equal to I h cut x raised to 0, which is equal to I h cut. So substituting this in this equation, that is I h cut, and we have px plus px, and the value is I h cut. So I h cut px plus px I h cut equal to 2 I h cut px, and the option is D. For hydrogen-like atom with a nuclear charge Z, the energy of orbital with the principal quantum number n follows the relation. For hydrogen-like atom, the energy can be found out by the relation En equal to minus 13.6 Z square by n square. So from this relation, we have En directly proportional to minus Z square by n square. So this is the option. Next question, the average value of the radius r in the oneness state of the hydrogen atom is. So for finding this, if we have already solved the equation, we can summarize the points like this, that is average value of radius r equal to 3 by 2 a0, which can be written as 1.5 a0. So our option is 1.5 a0. But if they are asked for radius, average value of radius r square r cube 1 by r square 1 by r etc. Then we can have this formula. For r square, the average value is 3a0 square r cube 15 by 2 a0 cube 1 by r square 2 by a0 square. For 1 by r 1 by a0. If you want to solve this question, we have to know these things. That is, if cos odd pi values are there, the value is equal to -1. In case of cos 2 pi 4 pi, that is even pi, value is 1. Cos 0 is equal to 1, and cos pi by 2 equal to 0. 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2 are equal to 0. And we have one relation. See, integral 0 to infinity x raised to n e raised to minus ax dx equal to n factorial by a raised to n plus 1. And for solving this, we need the wave function for 1s orbital. So psi 1s equal to 1 by pi a0 cube all raised to 1 by 2 e raised to minus r by a0. And we have to know about integral sin theta is equal to minus cos theta, and also integral d phi equal to phi. And for finding the average radius, the equation is average radius equal to 0 to integral 0 to infinity integral 0 to pi integral 0 to 2 pi psi r psi star d tau, where d tau is r square dr sin theta d theta and d phi. So by substituting here, we get integral 0 to infinity 0 to pi 0 to 2 pi psi r psi star. For d tau, we can substitute r square dr sin theta d theta d phi, and rearranging, we get 0 to infinity psi r psi star r square dr 0 to pi sin theta d theta and 0 to 2 pi d phi. And by solving 0 to pi sin theta d theta and 0 to 2 pi d phi, we get that is 0 to pi sin theta d theta equal to integral of sin theta is minus cos theta, and applying limit 0 to pi, upper limit minus lower limit, minus cos pi minus cos 0, that is equal to minus of cos pi is minus 1 and cos 0 1, minus is there. So minus 2 equal to plus 2, and integrating this 0 to 2 pi d phi equal to 5, and applying limit 0 to 2 pi, upper limit minus lower limit, 2 pi minus 0 equal to 2 pi. So totally we have 2 into 2 pi here, that is 4 pi. So we are taking 4 pi outside, 4 pi, and we have 0 to infinity, and substitute the value of psi. Psi 1s is 1 by pi a0 cube all raised to 1 by 2 e raised to minus r by a0. So substituting here, 1 by pi a0 cube all raised to 1 by 2 e raised to minus r by a0, and r is there. Here the psi star is, the function is e raised to minus r by a0. So star here is same value, 1 by pi a0 cube 1 by 2 e raised to minus r by a0 r square dr, that is 4 pi, and we are taking these common terms outside, that is 4 pi by this squaring pi a0 cube. By squaring, the half will go. 2 by 2 will come. So cancel. 0 to infinity. R and r square, r cube. E raised to minus r by a0 and e raised to minus r by a0. E raised to minus x into e raised to minus x equal to e raised to minus 2x. So e raised to minus 2r by a0. dr. We have a equation 0 to infinity x raised to n e raised to minus ax dx equal to n factorial by a raised to n plus 1. So here in this equation we can write here 0 to infinity x raised to n e raised to minus ax dx equal to n factorial divided by a raised to n plus 1. And by comparing this equation with this equation, we have a n equal to 3 and substituting 4 pi by pi a0 cube into n is 3 factorial divided by a raised to n plus 1. So here a is 2 by a0, 2 by a0 raised to 4, and pi get cancelled. 4 into 3 factorial means 1 into 2 into 3 divided by a0 cube into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 divided by a0 raised to 4. Up a0 cube into a0 raised to 4 into 1 into 2 into 3 divided by 2 into 2 into 2. Here cancel 4 get cancelled. So and a0 raised to 4 and a0 raised to cube. So cancelling, here we get a0 and one more 2 is here. That is 3 by 2 a0. Thank you for watching.